Hey everyone, welcome back. WhatsApp has finally added one of the most requested features. Now you can hide your online status. That means you can use WhatsApp freely and no one will know you're online. Let me show you how to enable it. First, open the Google Play Store or App Store and search for WhatsApp. Make sure your app is updated. This feature only works on the latest version. Once updated, open WhatsApp. Now tap on the three dots in the top right corner and go to Settings. Then tap on Privacy. Here, tap on Last Seen and Online. Now you'll see two options. The important one is Who can see when I'm online? Simply select Same as Last Seen. Then go back and set your last seen to Nobody. That's it. Now you can use WhatsApp, chat, scroll, and no one will see you online. Just remember, if you hide your online status, you also won't be able to see others' online status. And that's how you stay invisible on WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips.